Hello guys, this is Israel for Living Health and Smart channel on YouTube. So I'm doing this keto diet for about 3 weeks now. I just started because I decreased the amount of exercise I was doing because of the lockdown, and I didn't want to get any weight on. It's a good diet. I'm just trying to eat a little bit different this week. So I found out that there is one kind of bean we can eat on the keto diet. The name of this bean is black turtle beans. It's rich in copper, zinc, phosphorus, also magnesium, and what else? Zinc. Yeah, there are other things as well. It's a very good beans. It's rich in fiber and low in carbohydrates. So the net carb makes a keto dish. It's the only one I know. I will repeat: black turtle beans. I already prepare for making it. Yes, is not cook it. When I say prepare for making it, for cooking, is that I put the beans in the boiling water for 30 minutes in the pan without the lid and let it boil it for 10 minutes. And then I turn it off. I wasted the water and now I'm gonna cook it. Okay? The reason for doing that is for releasing some of the gases that are in the beans. So after eating, you won't have to feel that uncomfortable sensation that want to, fart. Sorry. Yeah. So I'm gonna cook these beans as it's a keto dish with some meat, sausage, bacons, some green onions from the garden, a little bit of leaves from the celery from the garden, and some garlic as well. I'm gonna add the rest of the olive oils we have here. Homemade apple cider vinegar that is delicious. I have in my YouTube channel how to do it, 3 videos, very good one. And I'm gonna add some sun-dried tomato without sugar. This one has no sugar, so this one is keto friendly, but the beans are keto. It's a keto dish because the net carbs make it keto dish, but the tomatoes is just a keto friendly. Yes. Those leaves are not to add in the pan. The reason for the leaves is because everybody that makes keto should know that we must eat loads of leaves when we eat a keto diet. So this is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.